Right, so previously we talked about how to reduce an image size, but now I want to talk about how to enlarge a print size. So you should still have the same image open from our previous exercise called enormouschair.jpg. However, you might need to revert it to the original image. So if your image is still 2.2 megs from the previous exercise, go ahead and go up to File, Revert to bring it back to its original form, which is 17.5 megs. So I'm going to go View, Fit on Screen so we can see our image. All right, so we got our original enormous chair image, and now we want to talk about enlarging a print. So let's say we want to scale the original enormous chair image so that it prints at 10 by 12 inches high. So right now, image size, we've got a 7 by 9, and we want to scale it to be a 10 by 12. So would you unsample that image by adding pixels to it? Absolutely not, because the image size command can't add detail to an image. It just averages existing pixels. So upsampling or enlarging adds complexity without improving quality. So by making it bigger, you're not actually making it any better of quality of an image. But there's times when unsampling is helpful when matching the resolution of one image to another, for example, but you want to use it sparingly. So you very rarely want to increase or enlarge a print. So what I want you to do is go ahead and uncheck the resample box. So now we're going to be working with width, height, and resolution. We're going to have these three play together. So notice that these three are linking, the width, height, and resolution. This tells you it doesn't matter which value you edit or in which order. Any change you make to one value is going to affect the other two. So you can't help but edit all three values at once. For example, if you change the width to 10 inches, what you're going to notice is Photoshop updates the height and resolution to 12.89 inches with the 225 resolution. So there's no need to calculate the resolution value that'll get you a desired set of height and width dimensions. So you just enter one of the dimensions in Photoshop, will do the rest of the work for you. And then you just click OK. And now you have your 10 by 12 image with your reduced resolution, which doesn't matter so much for this image because the quality wasn't that wonderful to start with. So that's how you enlarge a print size. And again, you want to use that sparingly.